Hi, this is Nancy Seligson, Mamaroneck Town Supervisor, and I'm so pleased to announce that the Town of Mamaroneck is hosting its first ever Repair Cafe. It's going to be Saturday, March 14th from noon to 5 p.m. here at the Mamaroneck Senior Center, also known as the VFW. And you can bring anything that you have that's a little bit broken or you want to see mended. And we are going to have volunteers who, for free or very little money, are going to work at fixing whatever you bring to them.
I personally will be repairing electronics such as iPods, tablets, iPhones, you name it, I can probably fix it. I'll be repairing all sorts of mechanical stuff, so anything that you might have, I can definitely diagnose or help you with it, and bicycles. So if you need diagnosis on bicycles, I'll be the man.
Hi, my name is Michael Eisberg. I'm one of the many volunteers here at the Repair Cafe. I make knives, so I'm here to sharpen your knives, repair them, and repair your tools, or sharpen your tools.
I'm Kevin Crow. I live in Larchmont. I'm a retired carpenter. I've always enjoyed doing things with wood and doing trim and building things, but I'm actually going to come to the Repair Cafe and bring glue. I would like to repair people's plates and pottery, glass objects.
And it's an opportunity to not throw something out so that we are not increasing the waste stream. You can bring your kids as well, because there will be a supervised kids corner with toys and things for them to play with to hopefully keep them occupied while you're interacting with the volunteer to fix your item. We're excited about it. We think it's going to be a great community event. You're going to be able to bring electronics, clothes, jewelry, books, whatever you have that you think needs a little bit of fixing and you haven't been able to fix it and you've wondered, should I get rid of this or what should I do with it? Please bring it to the Repair Cafe on Saturday, March 14th.